Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to share files in Microsoft Teams chat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom left corner, as you can see, we have the invite to Teams. We have in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar, and on the left side, we have the activity, community, chat, and the calendar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and share files in Microsoft Teams chat. So first of all, of course, go to the chat where you want to share the files. So open the chat. Then click on the participle icon at the bottom of the chat window. Select the source of the file you want to share. You can upload from your computer, OneDrive, or other cloud storage services. Then choose the file you want to share and click Open or Attach. Once the file is attached, press Enter to send it. And it's pretty simple, as you can see guys, so you just need to go and follow those 5 steps that I just showed you to know how to do it in just no time. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, of course, if you could do this, it will be pretty cool. And guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.